In this video, we're going to look at the Wonder 360, a camera that can film in 360-degree radius all at once. Stay tuned. So let's open this box and see what comes inside. It's nice and tight in there, not going to bounce around. Okay, so I've had a look at the manual now, and in here there's an app for the Wonder 360. It comes on, it says hello on the little digital screen here. So now we're connected to the Wi-Fi for the camera, and we're just going to click the connect to camera button at the bottom here. Okay, camera connected. Awesome. We now have a preview from the camera, giving us a 360-degree view of the room. So I can turn it around like this, and we bring it round to me now, and we can bring it all the way around like this. This is super cool. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys some footage, and we're gonna go out and do some filming with it as well. Some were a bit more interesting than this, and we'll be back with you in a moment. Hi, so we're here at Penton Hook Marina. If it's your first time visiting this channel today, please consider subscribing. And if you like this product and decide you want to get it anytime, there's a link in the description below, and you can get it for a 10% discount off. So you'll be able to see me and Andy on the camera here. One thing I want to do, I want you to walk around. Let's walk around, and then on the 360 camera, if you're watching on the 360 camera, you'll be able to follow us all the way around as we walk around the camera, which is it's amazing, you know. There's so many applications you could use this camera for. Imagine being in a concert, imagine being in a place where there's a beautiful view, imagine having it in the middle of a party and everyone's dancing around and you could capture what's going on. Imagine having it in a wedding, imagine having it in a church setting, and it can live stream as well. So I'm going to do a live stream example of this as well. Anyway, hopefully you're seeing lots of nice shots from this 360 camera. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to find out more about this camera, you can click on the link below where we have a 10% discount. And until next time, continue to grow in order to be, do and impact more. Let me hit record so I can add this into the video. Oh, no SD card.